Okay, here we are, day 3 of Casa de Malouff remodel. We got our garage full of stuff. I brought some ladders. I bought a scraper because I somehow lost and misplaced my other scraper. I brought all my ladders and a couple of things to work with. This stuff is all trash. That's going to go in the trailer later, next week. We had a really bad hailstorm, not hailstorm, but lightning and rainstorm last night. So we're going to do a quick walk around and see if there's any damage from the rain. I see the tree survived, so we didn't get any heavy lightning there. No holes in the roof from what it looks like right now. So the trailer still looks intact. And it's so much weight, it broke the cinder block. That's it sinking into the ground. Look at that. All right, so they're gonna take this away probably today or tomorrow. Probably take that crap with it. Okay, so let's go inside and we'll give you the tour of what we're gonna do today. So today is scraping, cleaning up the floors. So this linoleum, what do you call this crap? That's gonna get scraped out. All the trim's gonna get scraped out, baseboards taken out. That's what we're going to work on today. And if we can, if we have enough time, we're going to scrape the popcorn ceiling. So popcorn maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I'm supposed to go to a family event later today, so we'll see. Oh, we got another crack. Holy shit, look at that all the way across. Wow, look at that. Oh, God, look at that. Foundation issues. Oh, Lord, help me. Help me, Lord, help me. Another one all the way across. Look at that. Oh, shit. Lord, help me. Okay. Crack in the wall right there. Fuck. Well, hopefully when we tear out the wall on the outside of the insulation, we can fix that. Doesn't look like there's too much problem with the ceiling. I don't see any water drips. I'll go into the stripper room. See how it looks in the stripper room. Crack right there. So, well, we'll fix what we can. Live here as much as good as we can. Hopefully all the fixing and repairs that I do fixes the problem that is there. So that's the intention. Hopefully the ground, the foundation cracks I can recover from. That's all going to get, this is all going to get torn out. The whole bathroom walls, everything's going to get torn out and remodeled. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. So I may or may not knock out one of these closets and open up the bathroom more. Let's see here. No, that's a good closet. So this might be the rental room, and this is going to be the office. So if I keep this as the office, I can tear this out and expand the bathroom and tear this out. But the toilet's got to stay put. I'll just expand the shower. Not worth it. Keep it where... A lot of dirt and shit in this house. Keep it where it is. Okay. So we got to scrape that floor here. Scrape all this, clean this up. All this stuff off. All the dirt around here. Let's go into the master bedroom. Okay. That concerns me, but we're going to put tile over it. A big ass crack. Look at that. Crack every fucking where. All right. So hopefully when we put the tile down, we'll be able to correct this part of the foundation. And hopefully we won't have a problem. So all that's going to get gutted out. This wall is going to get taken out. This is going to be redone. That's going to be taken out. So maybe later this week I'll take all that shit out. This stuff will go out. I might keep the shelves. I repaint over the shelves. It might work. So I'll have to figure out my closet space. I got a lot of freaking clothes. My family bought me jackets year after year, 2 or 3 times. Everybody, look at these cracks. These cracks down here, I think, is from the outside, which is going to be fixed and repaired. There's a crack right there. So I think once I finish the outside and then I recompound and fix all of this, it's going to take care of that. So the door frame, probably going to take the door frame out, not have a door for the closet. I don't need a door for the closet. This is my bathroom, my bedroom. So, okay, so this is story number 1. Now the trick is which room we're going to start with first. But I'm going to grab me a couple of slices of cold ass pizza and snack on the pizza before I start. All right. Let's go out back. So during the rainstorm yesterday when the guys were working, they patched up, they put the visqueen, they covered it up. So that's good. So that protected the wall. So anything that you saw inside was already previous to the storm yesterday or last night, this morning, whatever. So all of this is protected right here. But I do have a concern, which is, why would this be wet? Why would this part be wet? So anybody that has an idea why this far in here would be wet. I think there might be a leak. It could be something from up there that comes down. So maybe when the roofer finishes this up and finishes up the roof, that would be taken care of. Maybe there's a leak and it's dripping down here. So I could do some research for that. So, okay, on to the videos. Okay, day 3 has come to an end. Well, for now it's 2 o'clock, 2:30. I got a lot more work to do. This scraping and edging is a lot more than I thought it would be. But I scraped up all the tile there, the front. I try to do here in the dining area, but that stuff is glued on. It ain't coming out. So anybody got any suggestions? That fuck is melted in there. Then I got to get up underneath the cabinets. When I rip the cabinets out, a couple more days. So I scraped up the floors in here. I still got to do more. I got to do the edge, the carpet edges. And then inside here, clean all that out. Tear all that stuff out. Tear that down. I don't know what they had that for. There's not a whole lot of room in this house for storage, closet space or anything. I don't know how I can't expand that any more than it already is. So we'll see. I may have to do a garage sale and sell a bunch of my stuff, my clothes. So maybe tomorrow we'll get to this one. We'll see. Hopefully by Friday, I'm going to make a long projection the whole week. I can have all the floor done, scraped up, cleaned up, and hopefully the popcorn down. Look at that big ass crack in the freaking ceiling. Fuck. All right, well, it is what it is. Live life with what we got. Hopefully we can refurbish this house back to something enjoyable. Stripper pole coming. I ordered it. Should be on order, so it's coming. I don't know when. It'll arrive. So, all right, that concludes day 3. We got a little pile out here of debris. And we'll throw that in the dumpster next week. We'll clean up all this stuff, the baseboards, all that. Baseboards tomorrow or Monday. I don't know if I'll take tomorrow off, go to church. Church is only an hour. We still got a lot of daylight after that. So we have no food in this house. We have cold pizza. So tomorrow's final leftovers on the cold pizza. If you want some, come get some. No microwave to hook it up and heat it up in. Okay, out back here, the moisture is drying up. I still got to figure out what the hell that comes from. I think it's coming from here. Hopefully it's not coming from underneath. Hopefully it's just coming from up above. So, okay, well, that concludes day 3. And we'll see.